Hello friends, next part in JavaScript is JavaScript objects. So you already studied objects in C++ and Java. In JavaScript is not a full-fledged object-oriented programming language. JavaScript is what? Not full-fledged object-oriented programming language because it does not support many of the features of object-oriented languages like inheritance and polymorphism. C++ and Java supports what? Inheritance, polymorphism and many features. Okay, but in JavaScript, inheritance and polymorphism features does not support. It contains some built-in classes and objects. JavaScript contains what? Some built-in classes and objects. Objects can have constructors, properties and methods. What object contain? It contains what? Constructors. Objects can have constructors, properties and methods associated with them, associated with that object, and are used very much like objects in other object-oriented languages. Okay, there are objects that are included in the JavaScript language. You can also define your own kind of objects. Okay, you can define your own kind of objects. Constructors. Normally, to create a new object, we have to use new keyword, the class name and the brackets with n optional parameters. Okay, this is object name equal to new object name, then number of parameters. Okay, this is how to create a object. Shortcut constructors are defined without using new keyword. Without new keyword also you can create the object. VAR greetings equal to good morning. So here there is no new keyword. Okay, directly VAR, then object name equal to good morning. So instead of the formal definition, VAR greetings equal to new string good morning. Okay, so here greeting is the object, new is a keyword, string is a class name, and this is the string. Okay, so this way also we can create without using new and class name. Directly you can write VAR greetings equal to good morning. This is also one method. This is one more method. Then properties. Each object might have properties that can be accessed depending on its definition. See, for example, student. Student is a class. It contains, okay, you can create the object like yes1 like this. Okay, what are the attributes? What are the properties of the student? Name, roll number, class, fees, address, mobile number, all of the properties, all of the attributes of the class or of the objects. When a property exists, it can be accessed using dot notation. Okay, by using dot notation we can access the properties of that object, where a dot between the instance name and the property refers that property. For example, alert. Alert is the output statement. You can use document.write also. Some object dot property, object name dot property. Example, student is a class. Yes is the object. Yes dot name. Yes dot roll number. Yes dot class. Like this. Okay. I show you one example so it becomes very clear. So this is the simple program. So this is JavaScript. So first object name person. Name, but the name Sam. This is one way to assign the value. Name equal to Sam. Okay, display person dot name. Person is the object dot name. Name is the property. It displays what? Sam. Next document dot write br. Next line. The next statement displays the next line. Person dot name equal to John. We just replace Sam to John. Okay. Then display person dot name. First it displays person.name, it displays Sam. Then you replace Sam with John. Then if you display person.name, then it displays what? John. Okay, so it displays first Sam, then John. Let's see the output. Okay, Sam and John. Clear, no? Okay, so here this is how to assign the property. Okay, object name dot property name, then name. Okay, or directly you can write alert to person.name. Okay, that way also you can write. For example, alert person dot name. Okay, just save the file and click refresh. Okay, it displays what? Alert John. If you want to change, you can change. Instead of John, Joseph, just click refresh. Okay, one is document.write, it displays on the screen. Okay, one more is, this is alert statement, it displays Joseph. Okay, so this is how to assign property. Okay, by using alert also you can display, by using document.write also you can display. Methods. Methods means functions. Objects can also have methods, which are functions associated with an instance of an object. Okay, so there are many methods are there. Okay, these methods are called using the same dot notation as for properties. How you mentioned properties, object name dot name, object name dot roll number. Similarly, you can use display. You can call method also. Object name dot method name. Object one dot example s1 dot display, s1 dot input. Okay, like this. S1 dot calculate, like this. But instead of accessing a variable, we are using a method. Some object dot do something. Okay, bracket open, bracket close. Means what? Object name dot method name. Okay, example s dot student is a class, s is the object, s dot display, s dot input, like this. Methods may produce different output depending on the objects that are associated with, because they can utilize the internal properties of the object. Okay, you can produce what? Different output depending upon the object. Objects included in JavaScript. A number of useful objects are included in JavaScript. These include array. Array is one object. Boolean. Boolean is one object. Date, maths, string, and others. In addition to this, JavaScript can also access document object model DOM objects that correspond to the contents of pages HTML. These DOM objects let JavaScript code access and modify HTML and CSS properties of a page dynamically. Okay, so in next video I will explain some concepts of arrays. Okay, so we will study in detail. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, in next video I will explain. Okay, thank you.